Here's the city. Pretty interesting looking main. I'd like to see what that rest of that main looks like. Okay, so there were plenty of roots in there. I cleared them all out. There is damage in this pipe. So you can see it on the side and the bottom. Cracked all the way through there. There again at the bottom where that water's going. On the sides. You can kind of see it. It's a little ovular on that right side. Not ideal. I got that joint as good as I wanted to because of all the damage. I didn't want to damage it anymore. It's just some leftover roots that I cut out. You can see it up there, left side, and on the bottom. There again, you can see there's some roots protruding in from that joint right there. The rest of it's in good shape. Here's 4x6. I scraped down this 4x6. There was some buildup on it. I got it all scraped out and it all flushed. There's a front clean out that I couldn't locate. Looks like it's an inline clean out. There's the other stack. Toilet. And there's my sink that I'm running right now. There's my access.